Hello, everyone. Happy Sunday. It is like November 10th. Um, I want to do a I wanted to do a DoorDash. I don't know why I didn't record this video in my house, but I just pulled up from dropping my daughter off at the mall. I ran into the mall with looking like this, so I didn't stay very long. JC Penney's have a little door you can go in, park right there by the door by their store and dash in there. And the men's department is a few feet from the door. So I went in to get my son I went in to get a backpack and a jacket. I found a jacket, a polo jacket. I didn't even know JC Penney's carry polo. So when I seen it, I was like, okay, yeah, because all of his school shirts are polo, which he go to like a charter school and they make their own shirts. But my son is a big guy, like he's a big guy, so they don't go up to his size. So I had to go out and buy him shirts, and I wanted him to have nice shirts. The last thing you want to do is be heavy and then not looking clean. So I just went out and bought all navy blue polo shirts, bought about 7 of them, and some Levi's because they can wear jeans. And then I bought him a couple of khakis and Dockers and Dickies. So that's his school attire. I kind of like schools that have uniforms because your kids don't feel like they have to kind of compete with everybody. Everybody has to meet a guideline. And their guidelines is no hoodies. So I found a polo was just a zip up jacket, no hoodie. Got that. I wasn't able to get the backpack because I didn't know if he needed mesh or not. And I found some Nike backpacks on sale, duffel bags on sale. So I'm not sure if he needed. I'll find out. And when I pick my daughter up, buy him. DoorDash update. So, DoorDash update. I worked for 7 days. I didn't take an off day. That's normal for me. I'm not tired. Like I'm fully energized. And I only had 2 cups of coffee, and it was Dunkin' Donuts coffee. I don't even know if their coffee has caffeine in it. But I did go to bed early last night because I dashed last night. You guys, I had to cut the app off. It was jumping. And people was giving cash tips and leaving tips on the app. Like yesterday in my neighborhood would have been a good day to dash because they were leaving like $10 on the app. Plus, when you get to the door, giving you a $5 tip or giving you a $3 or $4 tip. So I got cash tips plus tips on the app. If you have kids or if you single, you're a college student, you have to pay off that debt for college. This is a great way to do it. As far as mothers, girls, ladies, honey, sweeties, sisters, we got to have multiple streams of income because I don't want to be able to I don't want to have to tell my son, well, let me wait to pay that to get that. I had to tell him, well, let me wait to get some time to go get that. And I found the time this morning when I dropped her off. I said, don't go home. Go ahead and go over to JC Penney's and see if you can find that jacket for him and find a backpack because he's taking AP English and they have 3 books. So he said they get heavy. He didn't have a backpack before because he was just taking general classes. So like I said, hopefully he can carry this Nike duffel bag because it's sturdy and it can last for this year and the rest of next year. And I don't have to buy another one. So I'll find out and just purchase it when I go back up to the mall. But, I have a JC Penney's credit card. And sometimes your credit is, and I'm not going to say sometimes, your credit will save you from rainy days. Like for real. So if you don't have your credit together, go to Credit Karma, set up an account so you can see your credit score. My credit score is like a 704. It's a 704. And I do have major credit cards, Visa and MasterCards. I've had that JCPenney's card for like 10, 11 years. Like at the beginning of the school year, I would just go and charge up all of my kids' clothes. I would always get 6 pair of pants and 6 shirts. And the reason being is because sometimes your washer might go out. And even though I have a home warranty, I have to wait for the warranty company to send someone out. So I always wanted to be ahead of things. So I would buy them 6 to 7 pants, 6 to 7 shirts. I would get the jackets or the cardigans because my girls like to wear cardigans in school. And I would just do all of my shopping right there at the beginning of the year. You know, I think I have like it's a low credit limit, which is fine by me. I think my credit limit with JCPenney's is like $900. You shouldn't even take $900, and I have 3 kids, so I think I would usually max it to about $400-500 to get everything from Penny's, and just pay it off throughout the year. So your credit is very, very valuable. I'm trying to get my score. I would like to have an 850. Let's be real, but I want to get it to like a 750, 760. So I'm working to if when you charge something and you pay it off, it raises your score. But I do have some credit cards that I have and I haven't even activated them. I did it to raise my credit score. So and I get credit card offers all the time. And sometimes my major credit cards, they will just increase my credit limit without me even asking. I just had a card that doubled my credit limit last week or two. So you need your credit, you guys. If you're my age and you watching this video, I don't care what age you are. If you're 20, don't mess up your credit. Don't loan your credit to no one. When I say loan, don't co-sign for no one, nothing. Don't get involved with their issues. If their credit is messed up, that means that they're a bad paymaster, as my grandma used to say. So why would you get involved? They need to go to some type of financial counseling, or they need to get their financial situation correct. Don't loan your credit. Um, if you don't have good credit due to your own misjudgment of money, then start working on your credit, especially if you're trying to buy a home. We're going into 2020. So this goes into DoorDash. DoorDash is an extra income. I earned about $430 and I worked a total of 20 hours this week, and about $50 of it went to gas, probably less, because I'm taking into account that I take my son to school every day. He don't ride the bus, so I take my son to school, and I have not even started the repair process for my daughter's car. Like I said, it's drivable, but I rather have it cosmetically looking right before I actually get it back on the road. So I take her to school and work as well. So collectively, I used about $50 worth of gas. I go to the grocery store, so I still have my same daily routine, including the DoorDash. So I put about $50 worth of gas in here collectively for DoorDash and my own lifestyle. Uh, this is a good income, you guys, especially if you're twiddling your thumbs and you trying to figure it out. You don't have to worry about filling out no applications. You don't have to worry about someone calling you back. You don't have to worry about waiting 3 weeks to get a check. You can actually cash out every day with this app. I don't, because I don't want anyone taking a portion of my money. So I'm willing to wait. I'm not financially strapped where I need my money every day. But if you are, you can cash out that day. So I think this is a great opportunity. It only takes them like 2 or 3 days to get you your kit. Your kit is just the DoorDash bag and your red card. I build a rapport with some of these companies. I just go in, they know exactly. I'm professional. I go in there, hello, I'm here to pick up a DoorDash, and they give it to me. The money's so good. If the money wasn't good, I would have stopped day one, but I'm like, it's this easy. Like some hours, I make $25-30 an hour, like dashing, and I only didn't spend like $3 or $4 in gas. So, wow, you guys, if is no reason for people not to have any money. Anytime you don't have any money, it's because you don't want any. It's because you're not willing to do what it takes to get the money. I'm willing to do whatever's ethical and moral to bring in income. And that's the difference between rich people and poor people. Rich people, they eat, sleep, and poop money. Like they're always thinking of ways to grow empires and expand, and they're always looking for ways to generate an additional income. Don't wait till you get broke to start looking for new money. Look for new money every day. Expect new money to come into your household every day. Because if you don't, if you wait till you get down to your last $5 and say, well, okay, I need to try to find some new money, then yes, you're going to be probably going to be without any. So, always be looking for ways. I'm not too good or above to do work that I would want someone else to do. If I owned a restaurant, I would want to offer delivery, and I would deliver my own food if I wasn't running the company. While I'm doing DoorDash, I'm still generating income from home, because remember I said I set it up that way for it to be automated. So you need to find out ways to make money while you're sleeping. Don't just rely on your paycheck. Don't rely on one source of income, because what if it dry up, or what if they cut hours, and then you have a certain lifestyle you used to, or you may not even have a certain lifestyle you used to. You might be used to paying all your bills with this income, and they say, well, we're cutting hours, and we're going to cut hours for the next 2 months. And now you used to working 50, 60 hours a week. They cut you down to 40. And you literally live off that 60. You don't have another source of income. So now you have to make payment arrangements, and stuff is getting pushed back because everybody's going to pay their rent and their mortgage first. Second, you're going to pay that car note because you have to get to work, right? Okay. If I made $430 in a week and I did this as like play, imagine if you do this and you took it for real. I would not stress this. Like, you can make more money doing this than a rise, you guys. Now, mind you, my car is an older car. I've had this car for many years, and it has over 200,000 miles on it. The motor has been rebuilt. I got this year alone, I purchased new tires. Just about 3 months ago, 4 months ago, I purchased new tires. I got a tune up. I got my transmission flushed, and I have a mechanic. So if you're not really a type of person to get their oil changed every 3,000 miles, like every 3,000 miles, I get my oil changed, and I have been since I got this car. So that's why it's good to me. I do not believe in riding around with dirty oil in my car. So I get it changed every 3,000 miles, literally. I don't care if they tell me, well, this is the type of oil that you can put in and ride for 4,000. No, I'm just going to get it changed at 3,000. So keep in mind that. But if you have a little economy car, I would do this, especially if you're scrapped for cash. Now, I'm not talking about the people that's already making tons of money from home. I'm talking about the people that found this video that is like, they need money. Like, you need money now. Postmate as well do deliveries. And but I will have the DoorDash link. Yeah, is it my referral link? Of course it's my referral link. Of course I will get a referral amount or a fee for telling you to go to DoorDash. You guys, we're an adults. We are adults. I'm not gonna camouflage this and play games. I don't do this for fun. Like, all of this is work to me. Now, I love sharing information as I find it with everyone, but at the end of the day, my time is valuable, and I'm always looking for ways to generate income and bring it to my home. I'm growing a business, an empire as well, and every little bit count. So I'm about to go into my home, give my son his jacket. I'm sure he's going to be super excited because he got a polo jacket. This is like his second or third one, but it's new, it's the 2019. And sit at my computer, drink me some water, and hum in for the next 2 or 3 hours until it's time to pick up my daughter. Then I'm coming back home because I'm not dashing today. I just have a lot of work I need to do. I'm doing payroll for a rise. So everyone should have their checks in the next 2 to 3 days, depending on your banking. But it really depends on PayPal, because I don't pay through bank account anymore. I don't want any of my CSP's banking information. It's easier for me to send it through PayPal because all I need is your email address. So that's what I'm doing. I'm doing payroll, which I started last night. I'm going to finish it up today, and do some other things. Until next time, you guys, stay blessed, stay fearless. I love you. Welcome to all my new subscribers. Just think multiple streams of income. Think about it. You need multiple streams of income. So if one dry up or one slow down, you have some more money. You don't have to worry about borrowing gas money from friends and family and getting on their nerves, because everybody don't want to see you begging. You know, I don't ask nobody for anything because I try to keep I don't try. I do. I keep streams of income flowing into my life all the time. I speak money into my life. I don't never claim lack. I don't never claim poverty. I never claim that I'm without anything. I live my life in abundance. My thoughts are abundant. So you got to have abundant thoughts in order for your money to be abundant. Everything starts in the mind first. Once you think it, you can do it. So if you think money, money will come to you. If you think lack, lack gonna come to you. Don't live your life like that. So until next time, you guys, bye. Take care. Happy Sunday.